Me and my birds again. I'm gonna sit this one down. I'm getting old. Where's that bird? I was just cutting grass and I was about to go back in. Then I saw this little birdie. I said, let me go ahead and videotape this little birdie because I love birds. All right, here I go. That bird is here every day at 2:30. I guess that's when he eats. Let me see how close I can get. So, uh-oh, he's already. Something's wrong with one of his legs. Ew. Probably a cat got to him. Okay, birdie, I'll leave you alone since you can't walk that good. Okay, birdie. I'll get another view from this side of my little white bird. Hold on. Where is he? There he is. Hey, it's getting too hot out here, so I'm gonna go back inside and cool myself down. We'll take another look at the bird another day because it's just too hot. Um, it'll be back around 1:30, 2 o'clock tomorrow, so I'll see if I can videotape it again. Yeah, bye-bye. God is